Hello everyone, Amit Arora from EcoVisionaire. Continuing with the 10 most expected questions series, today we have human capital formation, the second last chapter of our first term. The only one chapter left is rural development, which is the sixth chapter. So before we start with the fifth chapter, important questions, we will be seeing what CBSE has given us the syllabus or the topics to be covered. CBSE says human capital formation, how people become resource. That means sources of human capital formation, a very important topic. And then role of human capital in economic development. What is the role of human capital when it comes to countries development? ये दो topic हमें दिए गए हैं for covering in this chapter. So let us see what questions we have. So first we have from the following, which of the following is not the source of human capital? तो इनमें से कौन सा ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन का सोर्स नहीं है? दैट इज एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन हेल्थ. इट इज वेरी मच अ पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. इट्स अ सोर्स ऑफ ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग इज ऑल्सो द सोर्स. इंफॉर्मेशन इज ऑल्सो द सोर्स. Expenditure on purchase of land is not the source of human capital formation. So the answer is D. Coming to question number 2, development of abilities and skills of human capital is called human capital formation, physical capital formation or a capital formation. Capital formation otherwise is known as investment. पर यहाँ पे हम स्किल्स और एबिलिटी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो इसका नाम होगा ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. दैट इज पार्ट ए. कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ह्यूमन कैपिटल क्रिएट्स. ह्यूमन कैपिटल क्या क्रिएट करती है? ओनली प्राइवेट बेनिफिट्स मींस बेनिफिट ओनली टू मी. ओनली सोशल बेनिफिट्स दैट मींस बेनिफिट्स ओनली टू सोसाइटी. बोथ प्राइवेट एंड सोशल बेनिफिट्स मतलब दोनों को, और नन ऑफ द अबव किसी को भी नहीं. सो वेरी इजी. आपको भी फायदा होता है इफ योर स्किल्स आर डेवलप्ड, और आपका फायदा फिर कंट्री को भी फायदा होता है, सोसाइटी को भी फायदा होता है. सो द आंसर इज सी, सोशल बेनिफिट एंड प्राइवेट बेनिफिट. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. हमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट आइडेंटिफाई करनी है. जापान इन्वेस्ट वेरी लेस ऑन ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. फॉल्स. जापान स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. They are one of the best human resources. Physical capital develops human capital. Again false. Human capital actually develops physical capital. Formation of human capital increases life expectancy. Yes, as health is an important source, it increases our life expectancy. Human capital formation is the main cause of poverty. No, it helps remove poverty. So therefore C is the correct answer out of all these. Coming to question number 5, expenditure on vaccination, जो हम आज बहुत सुन रहे हैं आजकल, is related to which type of medicine? Is it preventive, curative, social? Of course, everybody knows that it is a preventive way of. तो तभी हम सब कोविड की वैक्सीन लगाने की बात कर रहे हैं. तो इट्स द प्रिवेंटिव वे. तो इट्स प्रिवेंटिव. Health expenditure is a source of human capital formation because why spending on health is a source of human capital formation? Does it increase production? डायरेक्टली बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Does it provide employment opportunity? Does it provide skilled workforce? Or it directly increases the supply of healthy labor force? Of course, health expenditure will directly increase the supply of healthy labor force. So D is the answer. Coming to question number 7, what is the main reason for the rural urban migration in India? जब मेनली क्यों जाते हैं लोग गांव से शहर? अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की वजह से, लैक ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज की वजह से, इनएफिशिएंसी की वजह से, कि रीजनल इनइक्वालिटी की वजह से. तो एक पॉइंट है जो सबको कवर करता है, दैट इज रीजनल इनइक्वालिटी. सो द मेन रीजन बिहाइंड इट इज रीजनल इनइक्वालिटी. सो आंसर इज डी. कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, इट सेज ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इज बेस्ड ऑन द आइडिया. इसकी डेफिनेशन के अंदर भी आता है ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट किस आइडिया पे बेस्ड है? कि एजुकेशन इज द इंटीग्रल. It is integral to human being, yes. Health is integral to human being, yes. And the C says education and health both are. तो actually दोनों साथ आ गए तो yes. Education and skills are integral to. So the exact answer is answer C. Coming to next question, we have statement based question. Human capital statement number 1. It increases the skill and efficiency of the workers and leads to an increase in production and productivity. Absolutely correct. So statement 1 is true. Human capital benefits only the owner and not the society. Wrong. It is false. It actually benefits both owner and the society. So therefore the answer is C. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Coming to the last question, that is assertion reason question. Assertion says low academic standards is an important challenge in developing human capital in India. Absolutely true. And reason says training of teacher in India is not given the importance it needs. That is also true, and it's a reason for low academic standards. So the answer is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So answer is A. Coming to two extra questions for you students, which you need to answer in the comment section. So you can comment it there and we will be giving you the correct answer. Which of the following is not the challenge of development of human capital in India? Human capital formation का क्या challenge नहीं है? Brain drain is a big challenge. Low academic standard is a big challenge. Overqualified teachers, if it's a big challenge, or improper manpower planning is a big challenge. अब अगर चारों big challenge है तो कौन सा नहीं है? आपको देखना है कि which is not a big challenge. Coming to the last extra questions which I've given you today. India recognized the importance of human capital in economic growth in which 5-year plan? Mainly ज़्यादा focus किस 5-year plan में किया गया था? 6th, 5th, 7th और 9th. Teachers, this is the program for you. You can go for EcoVisioneer annual membership to avail all the benefits given on the screen. Basically, we are providing you free study material throughout the year. So all your tension is to us now. So we'll be creating worksheets for you. We'll be creating papers for you, and we'll be creating quality material for you. So for buying this annual membership, you can contact us on 9953682860. Coming to students, you have first term coming up. So go for our app first, download our EcoVisioneer app and go for free practice tests. We have good AR questions. We have good match the following questions and statement based questions also in the test. So, or if you want to buy any EcoVisioneer ebooks or physical copies, you can contact us on the given number. Thank you. All the best for your exams.